Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Zapier for beginners. So make sure to stick around till the very end, and I will show you simple steps and tricks to help you guys master Zapier and effortlessly automate your tasks. As you guys might know, Zapier is an automation platform designed to streamline your work across various platforms. If we talk about its pricing, it mainly offers 5 plans: a free plan, a starter for $19.99 a professional plan for $49 a team plan for $69 and a customizable company plan. You guys can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account, or you can also continue by adding your email address and complete name. After that, you will need to answer a few questions like your role, what you want to automate with Zapier, and what apps you want to use with Zapier. After setup, you will land on your dashboard where you can navigate through different sections like dashboard, Zaps, transfers, applications, and Zap history. We will explain each of them later on the video. So on the left, you guys have your navigation panel, and on the top right, you can access your account settings and log out. Now, let us see how it works. So Zapier uses a feature called Zaps, which means enabling you to automate your entire business. So creating your first automation is straightforward. Click on Create Zap on the top left. Next, choose a trigger event, such as when a new task is created in Asana. Then connect your Asana account. To do so, click on the Sign In button. Once done, after that, define the action you want to take, like creating a MailChimp campaign for a new task in Asana or whatever you want. You can also create multiple automations for different scenarios. Then, sign into your MailChimp to connect it. Once you guys are done, save your Zaps as drafts or publish them, and easily turn them on or off based on your current needs. Now let us create a different automation scenario focusing on Google Sheets. So, add Google Sheet as a trigger first. After selecting the account, we can refine the trigger by specifying a particular value. Next, add the subsequent actions. Let us continue by selecting Asana. Next, click on Choose an Event to include more details and set up multiple actions. For this example, I will add Create Task. Once done, click on Continue. Next, we just need to connect our account to log in. So first, I need to create a new task in Asana. Whenever a new spreadsheet is generated in Google Sheets, I will get the automation. Once your account is connected, fill in the details in all these sections to add a task. Specify the workspace and additional task details. What makes this software remarkable is its ability not just to create simple automation, but also to easily integrate all the necessary details. In this case, we can directly add due dates, text, assignees, and other values that we would typically input into Asana. Once both the trigger and action are set up and successfully tested, make sure to turn on your Zap. This will now run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Also, to keep using Zapier smoothly, you should regularly monitor your Zaps to ensure they are working as expected. You can do that by checking Zapier's dashboard to check for any errors or issues. Moreover, Zapier offers more advanced options, such as filters, delays, and multi-step Zaps. Go ahead and explore these options to customize and enhance your automations. The good thing is that you can check the Zap history to see a record of all the tasks your Zaps have performed. This can be really helpful for troubleshooting. In conclusion, guys, Zapier is a powerful tool to optimize your workflow and enhance efficiency. So, choose a plan that suits your needs best, or you can go with the free one to explore the possibilities of automation to your business. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.